So you think stars always look hot? Well, लगता है quite not. आज के और शॉट में हमने कैप्चर किया हमारी ग्लैम गर्ल्स को with and without makeup. तो कैसी दिखती है हमारी diva girls without their hair in proper place and the face in the best shape? Check them out. Mano ya na mano, that is Priyanka Chopra on a day when she wore no makeup at all. And then of course you have the glam result. वही काजोल who does not enjoy wearing makeup at all, यहाँ पर हुडी पहनकर लग रही है her casual self where she just doesn't care. Rani Mukherjee has gone from one extreme to the other. Lara Dutta, Bipasha Basu, Sushmita Sen, Deepika Padukone, Aishwarya Rai. Look, we have all the glam queens for you caught with their guards down. So what about the Priyanka picture?
It just tells you that how one hairstyle, the right hairstyle, can make such a big difference. Look at what the hair has done to her. It's brilliant. And of course, the cosmetic surgery, which we keep hearing about, but we don't know about, but look at the hair. It's made all the difference to her.
We also have Rani Mukherjee.
This is a perfect case कि जब you see people in real life and even if they have their makeup on, which of course Rani does not have in this picture, but if you're looking at the other picture, या आप अगर दूसरी भी actors को देख रहे हो यहाँ पर, the other girls, it's the same thing when they've been professionally shot in a studio where the light is controlled, जहाँ पे Photoshop हो रहा है, डबल चिन को कंप्यूटर काट रहा है, you know, wrinkles निकल रहे हैं, you have the perfect shape and everything. It's all about photoshopping. Today's beauty is as plastic as it gets, as computerized as it gets.
But Kareena?
I think she's really beautiful, irrespective. She was probably 14 years old when I saw her without makeup, and I still think she's really, really beautiful in real life without makeup, period. She's beautiful.
Also Sushmita? She's pretty.
She's very pretty, and irrespective of her makeup, she looks nice. It's just a typical case. You're seeing her here, her hair is the same, her the hair parting is the same, everything is the same. It's just that she has makeup and she does not have makeup. Again, it's a photo studio picture where everything is planned and measured, but she's attractive, period.
And of course, Kajol doesn't care.
Yes, and when she wants to, she can look beautiful. Photoshop comes to her rescue, and so does Mickey Contractor, the makeup man.
So are you saying that Photoshop is coming to the rescue of everybody and nobody's really that pretty?
Photoshopping and makeup definitely make them more glamorous. Probably just bad days when they got clicked on camera. But if you ask me, Deepika Padukone and Aishwarya Rai, they're just beautiful naturally. If you look at them, they're probably both at some mandir or something, no makeup, nothing. And in spite of that, there's something about them that's naturally beautiful.